Friggin' rights, boys. Just a miserable as frig out day outside, like you can tell, for friggin' my snacks. But anyways, just going to friggin' drop off some decnals and different things at the mail decks. Friggin' got a friggin' speciality guest coming today. Hey, beg my pardon for that, beg my pardon for that. But should be here any minute now that I'm stinking about it. I apologize. But anyways, friggin' get rid of this. Hopefully there's tons of good stuff probably going in the mails. And we'll son of a bitch our speciality guest when he gets here. Oh, dick. Program cocked. Holy shit. Somebody in the cigarette butts cocking over the program. They're just running new lines or something. Saw the fuzz, had to film it. Beg my pardon. Well, in other words, it seems to give good audios into the Whitward, but it's a little bit windy right now. So we'll see if we can daunt any wind. It's not right this second, but frig snack. It's friggin' not even now. But I'm just at the doctor again. The whole program's cocked in accordance. See if we can get any wind. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's some wind. Can you hurt it? Or did I fix it? Hey? I can sound him. Their son of a bitch are hurting me. Oh, how's it going, sir? I'm just talking to my camera. I apologize. I apologize for that. It's for probation. Beg my pardon. Look at Josh, for fuck's sakes. But anyways, I gotta go. Ah, friggin' rights, boys. This will be a good test of the improvement photographies on the camera. In accordance to the new and improved toupee. Hey, close your mouth! You stupid or something? But anyways, check that out. We need those. Holy shit. They're building like a serious addition over there. It looks like the other side's buckworded though in accordance to, you know, fit the stovepipe. But freaking rights, man. They're playing trapper big time. They got the different type of traptor out. I don't know. Well, that's probably just the backfilling traptor maybe. I don't know, but oh, mother cigarette, this freezer door situation we got wasn't a good idea, I don't think. The wind just cocks it. Just friggin' cocks it. I wonder what they thought about the friggin' the appliance friggin' stovepiper here. But anyways, oh, come in here for a second. Holy shit, it's windy out. My goodness. My goodness, I don't know if you can hurt me, but if you can, this friggin' fuzzer sure does work. And do the accordance. Oh yeah, they got the friggin' they're ready to build. They're friggin' ready to build. They don't fuck around, eh? They don't fuck around. I figured Inwoods wasn't built in a day, but maybe it was. What are you doing? Holy, doing the pug scuttle. Eh? Look at her. Oh, okay, no wonder you're dicked. She's like trying to bulldoze freaking Abby. What are you doing?
Okay.
Friggin' my snacks.
Come on.
Oh,
mental case. Probably good enough for your back.
For friggin' my snacks, eh? No more vet visits, you son of a bitch. But oh, sweet mother cigarette. Look at this. Look at the derelict shed coming apart. Look at the derelict shed. Oh my goodness for myself. What happened? I think that's my part, eh? That's my part of the shed. Hey, I'm bitching about the part of the shed that's broke. It's my part.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
For fuck's sakes. But anyways, boys, just wanted to test out the new two-pet. I'll show you the other camera. I did them both the same way.
Two-pet?
The two-pet. You tell it you pet it 2 times. It's the two-pet. But anyways, boys, I guess we'll both figure it out around the same Whitward. My apologies. Oh, dick. 420 on 420, boys. Then we cheeched. Oh, what's really going on?
So I want you to have a look at this tree and tell me what you think we should do.
What are we doing?
Well, watch this tree. Look at the roots.
Oh, dick. Is it windy?
Just a tad.
Oh, it's like, lifting right up, eh?
Yeah, it's just pulling right out.
Yeah, you don't want to park your rigs in your driveways.
Keep moving, like, so you look up, like it's leaning that way, it's gonna take out fucking Greg's trailer.
Look at the accrement onto her, boys.
Look at the roof. But like if I was to cut it, fuck. I don't know, man.
You can cut it. But yeah, I wouldn't cut it right now.
No, that's what I'm thinking. It's kind of windy. Like, and if it goes down, it'll miss
some stuff, but
some stuff. Like,
it'll also probably hit some stuff.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't hit the hydrant. Right?
Yeah, you don't want that.
No, that would suck ass.
Yeah. Oh, did you see they're playing tractor over there big time?
Oh yeah.
They got all the roof trusses out the back.
Yeah, yeah.
Smoking tons of cigarettes. Like they're smoking tons of cigarettes. Holy shit! I never even saw that.
Oh yeah.
Holy fucking shit! Big fucking wood stealing operation tonight, boys.
Big time. It's
Get the trailers.
2x6 by 10.
Get the
12.
fucking trailers, boys. For a fucking big wood stealing operation out here.
I could use that.
Yeah, oh, big time. Eh? Gotta build another mezzanine with an outsidewards one.
Oh,
did you sant the friggin' the appliance stencil there?
Oh, on the van?
Yeah, the other side of the trailer's got like a Canada flag. It's got the red bars on each side. Looks like a Canada flag.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we're gonna get those made up.
Right on.
Hang them around town. Eh?
Cool.
Pay my part. But yeah, that's a little bit dicked.
Yeah.
I never sant that before. Let's sant if I can go for a words. Hey, let's go for a words on it. Oh yeah, I'm going for a words.
It's like it's breathing. The ground's breathing.
Oh, you're right in the shot, bud. Oh yeah.
Some liftage.
Not too bad. Kind of sant it. Holy shit. Oh, that's funny.
You'd think the roots would be a lot deeper than that, eh? Like, they gotta go down. Like, that's a fairly big tree.
Yeah, you can sant some dedification into it though too, right?
Yeah.
Oh, did you mark it for lumber?
Yeah.
You marked it for lumber, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like you penetrated the bark. That's poison. You killed it. That's what happened.
That's right.
You killed it. Yeah. Yeah, she's dead. You can tell.
Oh yeah.
It's trying, but it won't.
No.
It's killed. You killed it. Golly, but that's hilarious. We'll have to try to son of a bitch photographies it on, see if I don't think those cameras can catch that far. Fuck sakes. Yeah, if she goes down, I don't want to catch it. We're gonna be here all day. Let's push it. Let's just push it?
Yeah.
Let's push it. Let's push it for a movie.
Yeah.
Get the truck. Push it.
Had to move the trailer though.
Nah.
I don't.
Fuck. The two of these guys are just moving it.
I think that was the wind. We just happened to push it at the right word.
The right timage.
Oh wait. Oh yeah. But you can really sant it.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy. Oh, for freak's sake. It's not even good for burning, eh? You gotta burn that outside. You'll just plug your solid.
Yeah.
Well, your chimney don't matter. It's a big metal pipe. It don't even care if it catches on fire, does it?
No, probably not.
No, probably not. Eh? It's just burn her inside in the winter. Knock her down, chop her up, bring her inside.
Yeah. Dry it.
Freaking right.
A bit more.
Son of a dick. Yeah, it's definitely got some accrement onto it. You can tell. You can tell it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can tell it. Beg my part. Oh, poor baby Joshua every time. My new plan is working. I just said, oh, too bad I don't have a shop dummy to go out there and bundle up that sopping wet tarp every time. So it's really blowing around and getting all cocked. So now we're just sitting inside, laughing hysterically. Well, Van Doodle friggin' just struggles like a goof outside. Oh, he fucked something up. He's caught, he's hooked on something, eh? Oh, great. Great. Oh, it's all hooked in there.
It's getting his tarp moving merit badge.
Yeah. Oh, what camera are we going to now? Oh, son of a bitch, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Oh, Starpuss bud, the fucking quality. Bro. Starpuss, bro. What happened? Go check out Starpuss on the YouTube TVs. Beg my pardon. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's wet and cold out right now. Oh my goodness. Oh, we gotta, ew. Oh. We gotta pick out a snap. We gotta pick out a snap. Nobody works here anymore.
They'll quit.
Just apologize. Look at the tasty snaps they got over here. Look at all the tasty snaps. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. For your Bob. It's for your Bob. Oh, frig snacks. So many things to choose from. Every single time. Oh, please, for myself. Oh. Alright, 11 time. Son of a bitch. How much are the popsicles? The vanilla with chocolate on them.
How much is the what, sir?
The popsicles, the vanilla with chocolate on them? Yeah.
Popsicles are 93 packs. So, $1.50.
My apologies.
Great big ones.
Yeah, the great big ones. The great big bastards. Oh, they're just a little one. Scottsburn vanillas.
Oh, no, those are 2 1/4.
2 1/4. You said $1.15 3 minutes
yellow.
ago.
I don't see any yellow in that package.
I said chocolate. Vanilla and chocolate.
You want a chocolate milk, Christopher?
Yes, I do. It makes me start big time.
You want a big one or a little one?
Just a little one. I don't want to start too many times. Oh. Swearing kids. Spotted them. Hiding out from the cops, probably. Probably hiding out from the cops. Isn't he?
Probably.
You hiding them out from the cops, Donna?
Why, are they after me again?
No. Swearing kids. Or after swearing kids, belligerent. Belligerent. I never said yellow. I got it on a movie. I never said yellow one time.
Because I think you did.
I said chocolate with vanilla.
Well, then I'll replay it, but maybe my ears are.
Oh, pin the cigarette on the donkey, eh? We need that. So for zap the shit out of Joshua.
We need these though, the colored flags.
How much of them? 50 cents?
Is this let's make a deal?
Yes.
We need these for our party.
Okay, well, you go back and chat with the big
Have them back after.
Man.
because I don't know. But let me just.
Just I'll take them, and if he wants them back, I'll bring them back later.
Okay. What can I say?
Oh, for friggin' a sack.
3 feet high, 'cause then I can't get them back then.
Yeah.
Holy, look at this. It's like sneak spray or something. Yeah, sneak spray.
You just squirt candy juice in your mouth? These kids are too lazy to even suck the
Spray
candy
diabetes
anymore.
down your throat.
Yeah, diabetes spray. Oh my goodness. Almost got under attacked. Almost got under attack there.
Yeah. Entry halfway worked.
Are you paying the whole thing with nickels?
I came for, all nipples.
You besant.
But
You bestn't.
See, this isn't fair.
You bestn't.
I already sent it.
She bestn't. Pay my part. Am I paying for this? For fuck's sakes! Oh my goodness, I'm so stoned and I love chocolate candies big time. Pay my part. Oh, but anyways, boys, that's what we're dealing with. I just took a hunk of dead cat and friggin' just hot glued it like a friggin' a Sagner. Like, it's really stuck on there. But this is the one that fell off the van and the door's all cocked and everything's just for friggin' a Sagnered with it and stuff. Like, I don't know if you can daunt the flaunt, but she's pretty much in the cockward. But for taking a ride off the roof of the van at friggin' 60 kilometer an hour, she does pretty good. She does pretty good. But that's all I did. I put a piece of this foam. I just like tore a piece off. It's the foam out of my Pelican case, right? I just tore like 2 pieces off, and then I took scissors and just split that piece in the middle. So I was left with just a little square the size of the microphone, and then, you know, so it's got like a little pad thing under there, because the first time I did it, I just had the dead cat fur, and it got cigaretted. So friggin', yeah, this works a little bit better. So you can still hear a little bit of the wind noise, but for the most part, it's 100% better than nothing on there at all, and you can still hear me crystal clear. So perfect. And it's like a 2-pat. Hey, it looks like my friggin' camera's got a 2-pat on or whatever. So friggin' rights for that. But anyways, boys, that's the model of the camera that Pugwin uses for forever. Got 2 of them. All my movies filmed with these. Well, and the GoPros, but mostly these. My apologies. Oh, but anyways, boys, big friggin' trip to Pig Iron today. We got to get on this friggin' Black Cock Down project in accordance, but shouldn't be too big. Shouldn't be too big. So we'll see how she goes. But anyways, friggin'. Appreciate the comments. Friggin', might as well subscribe, and don't forget to check out pick up a cam, get your doctors and horses and as a dribber, don't forget to like, share, favorite the movie, else been a Pig Time Pug, one loves I can, Big Time, but anyways, there you go. Another Dick Pug One production. So until tomorrow.
Don't let the vultures get you.